Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you what do the check marks mean on Messenger. If you open your Facebook Messenger app and if you are trying to send a text message to one of your friend, and you'll be able to see that there is a check marks icon at the bottom right below every text message that you have sent. The blank blue circle, that means it's been sent from my device, but since I have airplane mode on, has no internet connection, it has not been gone through the network and has not been delivered to other person. The on-field check mark, as you can see right here, means that your message has been sent but that person is not online. The blue field check marks means that your text message has been delivered but not seen by contact. After your friend reads your message, a small profile icon of your friend will appear right below the text message. Basically, the check marks are usually for your text message delivery or theme status. For your message status, different check marks indicate different meanings. So this is what the check marks mean on Messenger. Thank you for watching.